Hi guys, this is my hedge trimmer. Not quite sure how many years I've had it for, but a long time. I think that logo is the one that used to be used by B&Q for their branded products. I think this is B&Q. I'm not 100% sure. Performance Power. Chandler's Ford, something or other. Helpline number. I was trying to work out how long I've had it. Because it's dead now. I decided to employ my grandson, give him a chance to earn some money, and within minutes of using it, it stopped working. I'm not blaming him for it at all. It's old, and I've already taken it apart, and I know what's wrong with it. Can you work out where that comes from? We'll take it apart and show you, but yeah, that's sheared off. Right, we will take it apart and have a look. I'll do a close-up at the relevant moment. The story goes on. We went to the local B&Q and bought a Karcher, Karcher brand cordless hedge trimmer. And of course it needed to be charged first. The battery has a nice little display on it to tell you how much charge it's got. There was nothing on the display when we opened the box. I thought it might have had sort of storage charge on there. Put it on the charger. Charger didn't even notice it was plugged in. Made no attempt to charge it whatsoever. It was on special offer. I think it was 15% off. So I'm guessing it was old stock they were trying to clear anyway. Either way, I left it on charge for over 6 hours and absolutely nothing. So, right, here we are. This piece here, what do we call it? Reciprocating or something. The cam turns round, and turning round moves that backwards and forwards. That one's okay. The one underneath, which is identical in shape, you might just be able to see that bit sticking up there. That's where that bit should be connected underneath this. So clearly that is broken. I don't think it's just broken. I don't think it's my grandson's fault. I think it's probably broken over the years and it's been hanging together and working more or less. And then when he tried to use it, that finished it off. I expect technically it's repairable if you can get a replacement part. I would think it's probably old enough for there to be no replacement parts available. It might be interesting to undo that and see if we can actually get to it, just so we can look at it. Right, here's the cam that spins around, and because these circles are offset, they move the blades backwards and forwards. The gear looks absolutely fine. There's 2 screws down through here. And we've got captive nuts here that held the cover on. And this is the blade, or blades. So there's 2 screws down there holding it in place. If I can turn it over, is it going to fall apart? It will fall apart if I let it. And here's our broken bit. In fact, there must be another piece. A bit missing to go around there. I expect if I dig around inside, it's probably there somewhere. Or it may have fallen out when I looked at it first time. Yeah, I can't see it in there. Yeah, I don't expect there's any chance of getting replacement blade for it. I could find out, but I would think it's old enough to be no use to anybody. Yeah, I'm sure that was the brand that B&Q used to use. Because I do tend to buy most things from from B&Q because it's convenient. Yeah, oh well, there you go. That's the inside of one of them. I have to go and wash my hands now. Just very briefly before I go and wash my hands. Yes, these are pushed apart. One goes that way, one goes that way, and then they go back the other way. And then that's the cutting motion up here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.